Namaskar friends, welcome back to my channel Living Economics. Today I have picked up a very interesting news. It is interesting because it is related with law and economics. It is interesting because it is related with fundamentals of economics. So let's find out what news I have picked up and let us see it from the economic lens. So the news which I have picked up is Karnataka High Court directs stern action against mask rule violation. This is obviously the news of September 19, 2020, which is today. Let us see how we look into this direction of Karnataka High Courts to the authorities of the government and what it thinks when it says that there should be a stern action against those people who violate rule of the mask, wearing mask and social distancing. First, let me read out the news for you. Karnataka High Court on Friday directed the state government to issue fresh directions to the authorities to take stern action against people violating the elementary rule of wearing mask and ensuring social distancing. It also says that, noting that the rules are being observed only in the breach, the bench asked the state government to place on record the direction issued to the authorities. A division bench headed by Chief Justice Abhay Srinivas gave the directions, observing that the state was recording 9,000 cases every day, while Bengaluru city was next to Delhi in a number of positive cases with 3,500 cases a day. Okay, so if I see this news through economic lenses, I find two basic concepts of economics and one fundamental principles of economics. The two basic concepts of economics which I find in this news is the opportunity cost and the external cost, which is also called as negative externalities. One of the principles which I have found in this news is, which can be analyzed through economic lenses, is people respond to incentives. Now let us analyze these three concepts which I have found in this news one by one. Let us first understand what is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the cost of next best alternative forgone, which is as per the definitions. In other words, opportunity cost is also the cost of performing any activity. So if I am not wearing mask, there are some opportunity costs associated with this. What Karnataka High Court has observed that people are not wearing mask because the opportunity cost of not wearing mask is not great for them. So, Karnataka High Court has directed state government to make sure that the state government increases the opportunity cost of not wearing mask by imposing some amount of punishment for those who are not wearing mask, so that the opportunity cost of not wearing mask increases among people. The increased opportunity cost of not wearing mask through strict rules followed by some punishment will make sure that people behave rationally, and the benefit of not wearing mask is lesser than the cost of not wearing mask through increasing opportunity cost by the state authorities. So this is one thing we see what Karnataka High Court has observed, that unless until you increase the opportunity cost of among people for not wearing mask, they won't behave in socially desirable manner, which is everyone should wear mask and maintain social distancing in public. The second concept which I have understood from this news is that it also talks why people are not wearing masks. They are not wearing masks because they perceive the private cost differently from the social cost. What is the difference between private cost and social cost? The difference between private cost and social cost is the external cost, which is also called as negative externality. What is external cost? External cost is a cost borne by the third party because of the activity which you perform. Private cost is a cost which is borne by you only. Generally what happens among individuals, they only see the private cost of any activity, and then their decision making is based on whether private cost is higher compared to private benefit or private benefit is higher compared to private cost. If private benefit which they are receiving from that activity is higher compared to the private cost, they perform that activity. Otherwise, if they see that the private benefit is lower than the private cost, they do not perform this activity. What happens in this is that generally individual tends to ignore the external cost, which is a cost borne by the third party or the other person. Now definitely I'm not bothered about what cost you are bearing because I'm smoking. I'm not, in the same manner, I'm also not bothered about what cost you are bearing if I'm not wearing mask. When we are not bothered about this, we exhibit negative externality of our activity onto those who have nothing to do with our activity. Generally, we understand from different awareness programs that it is not, we will be secure if both of us, if two people are talking and or is standing in a public, we are secure if both of us are wearing mask. We are only 50% secure or some 60% secure as per the data given if only one of us is wearing mask. So generally what individual thinks that they just have to go to the grocery shop and buy some stuff and come back, and nothing will happen to them because they understand that their immune system is very high. They may be the COVID patient of asymptomatic nature. Now you are not wearing mask, you are strong enough, your immunity is strong enough, so your private cost of not wearing mask is not that great because you understand that it's difficult for the coronavirus to beat your immunity system. But the person who is standing over there, who himself or herself is wearing mask, has a very low immunity system, and they may get affected because of you not wearing mask. But you are not perceiving that cost as yours because if that person falls sick, it is his problem, not yours. This is where there is a difference between private cost and social cost. Actually, every individual should perceive social cost. He should not only see whether he will get sick or she will get sick if he is not wearing mask, but if he is not wearing mask, the other person may also get sick. So we should perceive this cost as a social cost and not only the private cost. If I'm strong, I'm not wearing mask, that's fine. That's fine with me. Now what this institution of strict punishment by the High Court, which is being governed to the which is being directed to the state government, is that the moment you punish people for not wearing mask, they will internalize the external cost in their private cost. So I will understand that if I'm not wearing mask, not only my private cost, which is that I'll get some virus from the other person, but also I have to pay for not wearing mask, which is a form of punishment for me if it is fine. Now, if I understand this, how this institution is trying to bridge the gap between the private cost and the social cost by internalizing the external cost into my private cost. So now paying fine for not wearing mask is my private cost and I'm perceiving based on that. So you have seen this particular news takes into account the fundamental principles of economics, which is people respond to incentives with the help of opportunity cost. Increasing the opportunity cost of not wearing mask will make sure that people wear masks, and that is why they're responding to incentives / disincentives. Also, Karnataka High Court has observed that if the punishments are not stringent against not wearing mask or violating the rules of wearing mask and maintaining social distancing, people would not behave in a socially desirable manner. They will always perceive their private cost differently from the social cost, and in order to make sure that the gap between private cost and social cost, which is external cost, is bridged by internalizing the external cost of the people for not wearing mask into their private cost by putting some fines against them or maybe some amount of jail or imprisonment, which I don't know whether is high or not. Let us wait and watch what measures Karnataka government is implementing to make sure that people follow mask rule and maintain social distance. This is it in daily news through economic lenses. For further updates, stay tuned with me in Liming Economics under Dantal series. Till then, take care. Bye.